Hey guys, just wanted to do another unboxing video of something that we found at SEMA this year. The name of this company is LEDLenser. They're made here in the US, and we took a look at a few of their lineups and we actually really like this one. So we go through a lot of shop lights in a year, man, cheap ones, expensive ones, and they constantly break. And so this one, we found that we really liked it for a few different reasons. So firstly, the size, right? The size is actually pretty good, and it's actually really robust. So this end here, this is all metal, right? Good old metal. This on the back side is plastic, right? But what we really like about it is that it has a hook here. And not only does it have a hook, but it's actually got 3 magnets, whereas like your normal LED lights only have 1 or 2 or whatever. And these guys are pretty tough. We've had these hanging up on hoods since we've been testing it, and we really like it a lot. Now, moving forward, another thing that we really like about this is that it gets away from your normal USB ports and it gives us a magnetic unit there. And so this is, you know, we're starting to see these a lot more on a lot more consumer products, headphones and ear pods and stuff like that. But it's nice, slick. And so what we've noticed over the years is, like with the cheap LED lights, is that the USB port will break and then it renders it basically useless. Now, and this guy is bright, and during the day it's probably not the best thing, but I also like that you actually have to hold this for 5 seconds for it to actually turn on, so you don't actually turn it on. Alright, sorry about the technical difficulty. So basically you can lock and unlock this light here. So first, let me show you. This right here is the indicator and the brightness at the same time. So we're going to click on that, and you can see that it progressively gets brighter as you press it. Now, with the lock function, it can be a little bit confusing, because if you press and hold for 5 seconds, this indicates that it's locked, or it should be locked rather. There we go. So that indicates that it's locked. Alright, you press it a couple times, it doesn't do anything, and it will flash at you to tell you that it's locked. So to unlock it, same deal, you press and hold, and it should unlock here, and that's unlocked. There you go. So a really cool thing about this light that works really well is that again, the hook is pretty useful. It's pretty robust. Doesn't seem like it's going to break anytime soon. But if it does, in the case that it does break, they do offer a 7-year warranty on this guy. And again, this company is here in the US. If I remember right, they're based out of Iowa. But definitely check them out, man. We didn't get this for free or anything like that. I paid sales price on it because it was at SEMA, but I basically paid retail for it at the time, and so far we like it. We actually bought 2 of these units, and we will give them a check these out, and we'll use them for a little bit, and then hopefully we'll update you and see how they hold up in some time.